Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these lovely, delicious, homemade Yorkshire. Easy to make, so sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make the perfect Yorkshire pudding. What is Yorkshire pudding? Yorkshire pudding is typically what most British or in American cuisine would eat with their roast dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan prepared. I'm gonna put these in the oven because you need oil in it. These are some baking pan I use for this purpose. Make sure enough oil is in it. And also Yorkshire pudding is common sometime you go to carvery, especially here in the UK. You need a bowl. First you'll need a bowl, and what you can do, I'm gonna add the flour in, and this is one of the easiest way to make your Yorkshire pudding. I'm gonna add the egg in. All that is personal preference. Also, a lot of people eat this, right through the year. Like here in the UK, you have carvery, which a lot of people like to go. It's normal to go to carvery. Here in America, they use it with their beef. So most people eat it with beef. So what I'm doing here, I'm just combining the flour with the egg. You don't have to do it like this. I'm just doing it this way to show you. If you don't have a mixer, you don't have to really worry about that. All right, we're gonna go in with the milk. We're gonna gently mix it. You can use a stick blender. I'm gonna show you what I mean when I said I can use a stick blender, but I'm just starting it off with this. Normally, when I used to make this, when doing roasts, at restaurants, care home, I just use the whisk. But I'm going to show you what you can do otherwise. So this is the first stage. Remember, you need to whisk this until all lumps comes out of it. So here I have my stick blender. You're going to need a little bit of salt and pepper in it. So we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. You need a bit of salt also. That should be enough. So I'm gonna use the stick blender. And what I'm going for, this needs to be smooth. Okay, so that's all good to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a ladle in this. Normally, if you want, some people put it in the oven. Inside the fridge to relax a bit, but I'm going to make mine straight away. So now we have our pan. So we're going to start the process by dropping them in. So about a ladle. But what I'm gonna do, inside the oven, I put another tray underneath just to catch the oil. But this thing gonna go over. So now our Yorkshire pudding is out the oven. Look at this. Look at these world-class Yorkshire pudding. Look at this. It doesn't get better than this. See that? So these are good to go. So that's your perfect Yorkshire. Ladies and gentlemen, if you find any value in this video, please do like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment.